has been in a trouble spot through the course of time, and the long arms of the law are continuing to firm their grip around him. And is he now trying to run away from the country to escape the law of the land? Even with so many charges against him, Nityananda has now planned a trip to Singapore, Thailand and Malaysia. The investigating officer of Karnataka CBCID and the SP of Ramnagara Police have already issued a red flag for his passport, expressing their objections to Nityananda's travel. Given that Nityananda has been missing for weeks while the police are searching for him, there is every possibility that he may never return to India. My colleague Bansi joins us for a word on this. Bansi, a trip to Singapore, Malaysia and Thailand in a time like this one, how does one really look at this?
Well, Nityananda, if you look at it, has been on the wrong side of the law for a long time now. And he's had a brush with the authorities, the police authorities, whether in Karnataka or Tamil Nadu or other places. And for different reasons. But on one ground, that is for breaking the law. Now, even as the Trichy and in other areas, the police are on the lookout for him in Salem and Trichy for land grab complaints. He has been summoned 3 times by the Tamil Nadu Commission for Women for certain cases that have been registered against him, and not even once has he shown up. Now, in the backdrop of all this, Nityananda is now planning to travel to Singapore, Malaysia and Thailand. Now, this is his itinerary for this month of December. Now, let's remember that Nityananda had gone to Nepal and come back, even as all these court cases were pending. And he took a huge number of followers also with him. Now, the reason why he is leaving, why it is suspicious, is because he has collected 6.5 crore rupees. In fact, this is the figure here. He has collected 6.5 crore rupees. This is verifiable with accounts from the Kotak Mahindra Bank. So why does he have to collect this huge amount of money? Also, this is a spiritual program that he is really running. And the spiritual program where they are charging about $10,000 per person. Now, this is a spiritual program, and for that is $10,000 is about 5 lakh plus rupees in Indian rupees if you convert it per person. This is a 21-day program because he believes that there is going to be a major cognition shift which will happen in December sometime. So to overcome this, he is taking himself and his followers on a cruise. So thereby they'll be able to avoid something. It looks like mumbo jumbo and a lot of rubbish, if you ask me. But this is what he is claiming, Nikhil.
Also, Bansi, what is the kind of objection that has been raised by the concerned investigating officers and the concerned department?
Well, the department is trying to understand what he means because he says he is an avatar Purush. He is not a human being, but he is divinity incarnate. That is what he is claiming. He also says that only those with him will be saved from this major calamity that is supposed to happen in December. So he is taking a few of his followers on this chakkar. So even as this is happening, there is a fear, a real fear amongst the authorities that during this month, Nityananda will try to evade arrest and try and possibly skip the police because escape from the police because he is now traveling not only out of India but amongst out of India to 3 countries which include Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia. So the police are on an alert. In fact, the local Ramnagaram police, Anupam Agarwal, had earlier issued a red corner alert. They have now flagged his passport. So with all these constraints, will he now move out of the question?
But see, what is so threatening to him right now that he's contemplating escape? Is there an arrest around the corner? Are the investigating officials hinting towards that? And what are the documents that we have in our possession which perhaps speaks about it?
Well, Nikhil, Nityananda, for what he is facing now, the charges against him are many. In fact, Nityananda faces, first of all, the charge against him. There are complaints against him before the Tamil Nadu Women's Commission, where there are serious charges that he is facing. Also, there are land grab complaints against Nityananda in Salem and Trichy. In addition to this, there are complaints, many complaints registered in Karnataka, which also include rape and several other serious offences defrauding the police, cheating. So many other cases registered before the CID in Karnataka. Various other cases, because he is also accused of his former devotee Lenin Karuppan. Now Mr. Karuppan has complained both in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So there are a flurry of cases, huge number of cases, host of cases against Nityananda. So even with this backdrop, Nityananda has had a virtual challenge when it comes to the law, because the law enforcement agencies on different counts are looking for him, whether it's in Tamil Nadu or in Karnataka or in other areas. So with all these details, there is this grim possibility that he might just give the police a slip and might just escape. This is according to sources who are telling us. All this what I'm saying is according to sources who are informing us.
Also, Mati, what are we in the know of the court's response? Has there been a response already for the objections raised by the department officials?
Well, the courts will only go by the law, and different courts where his cases are being, the matter is being tried at different courts. The matter is being tried. So different cases are being tried at different courts. We do not have a word on that. But clearly in Ramnagaram courts and in other courts, there are different cases pending against Nityananda, whether it be the Ramnagaram court or in different other jurisdictional courts, whether in Tamil Nadu or Karnataka, there are different cases pending. We do not have the full details of these cases just now.
Well, Bhanti, thanks for joining us with those details. Nityananda in trouble again now. Plans a trip to Singapore, Malaysia and Thailand. No clarity on the reason. Collect 6.5 crores to do the same. A battalion of his deputies to accompany him on this trip, much to the dismay of the investigating officials and the department, who raised an objection asking the court not to allow Nityananda to travel abroad, as they termed him to be a travel risk. And the big news coming in.